everyone, welcome back to my class. If you are new here, karibu sana. Ninaitwa Mwalimu Patricia. My name is Patricia. So today we are going to learn about habitual tense. Yes, habitual tense. So what is habitual tense? In Swahili, this is the tense that explains about the actions that we do in our daily basis or in our daily activities, or it explains about someone's daily routine. So this is the tense that explains about actions that we do in our daily regular basis or in our daily activities, or it explains about someone's regular routine. So in order to make this habitual tense, we normally add who. So who is the tense marker of habitual tense. So we normally add who to the verb. So we add who to the verb. So let's see these examples here. The first example says, Mimi hupika chakula kila siku. Mimi hupika chakula kila siku. I cook food every day. I cook food every day. So mimi hupika chakula kila siku. So the tense marker here, who, it explains that this is habitual tense, which explains about someone's regular basis or someone's daily activity. That mimi, I cook food every day. Mimi hupika chakula kila siku. I usually cook food every day. So who, mimi hupika. This explains about someone's daily basis, that I cook food every day. Mimi hupika chakula kila siku. Let's see another example here. Yeye hulala mapema kila siku. Yeye hulala mapema kila siku. He or she sleeps early every day. He sleeps early every day. Hulala mapema kila siku. Yeye hulala mapema kila siku. Another example says, wao huimba vizuri. Wao huimba vizuri. They usually sing very well. Wao huimba vizuri. So huimba, the tense marker is who. Wao huimba vizuri. So huimba, this explains about someone's who is singing very well. Huimba. And this, the tense marker who explains that this is habitual tense. Okay? Another example is sisi husoma kila siku. Sisi husoma kila siku. We usually read every day. We usually study every day. So sisi husoma kila siku. We usually study or we usually read every day. Another example says, mwalimu hufundisha vizuri sana. Mwalimu hufundisha vizuri sana. A teacher teaches very well. A teacher usually teaches very well. Mwalimu hufundisha vizuri sana. Mwalimu hufundisha. So hufundisha, because we have who, so which is the tense marker, this is habitual tense. Mwalimu hufundisha vizuri sana. Mwalimu hufundisha vizuri sana. Another example says, dada husafisha nyumba kila asubuhi. Dada husafisha nyumba kila asubuhi. My sister, dada yangu husafisha nyumba kila asubuhi. My sister usually cleans the house every morning. Dada yangu, let me put yangu here. Dada yangu husafisha nyumba kila asubuhi. My sister usually cleans the house every day, every morning. So asubuhi is morning, okay? And dada means sister, okay? Another example says, which explains about habitual tense, it says, mtoto huoga. Mtoto huoga kila siku. A baby takes shower every day. Mtoto huoga kila siku. Mtoto huoga kila siku. A baby takes shower every day. Huoga means take shower, okay? Another example says, mama yangu hupika chakula kitamu. Mama yangu hupika chakula kitamu. Pika, cook. So my mother cooks the food, chakula kitamu, a delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. Mama yangu hupika chakula kitamu. Mama yangu hupika chakula kitamu. So these are examples that explains about habitual tense. As you can see here, we have this personal pronoun, mimi, yeye, wao, sisi. And after personal pronoun, we use the same tense marker, which is who. So we use the same tense marker in all these personal pronouns. So it is very easy to make these habitual tense because we use the same tense marker, which is who. Okay, so mimi hupika, yeye hulala, wao huimba, sisi husoma, wewe hukimbia. Okay, so mimi hupika, I cook, yeye hulala, he or she sleeps mapema kila siku, very early every day. Okay, wao huimba, wao huimba, they sing. Okay, sisi husoma, we read or we study. So we use the tense marker who in every personal pronoun. Okay, so it is very easy to make these habitual tense because we use the same tense marker. So all these examples are in positive form. So in our next lesson, we will learn how to make these habitual tenses, how to negate these habitual tenses. Okay, so in our next lesson, we will make the negative tenses of habitual tense. Okay, negative sentences of habitual tense. Okay, thank you so much. Asante sana. Kwaheri.